Here is how to invite friends to a Roblox game. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Then after go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Now choose the game that you want to play with friends. After that, tap on this play button from the home page. This will open the Roblox application. And once the game loads, you need to tap on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of your screen. And from the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and tap on Invite Connections or Friends option. And here you can copy a link and share with anyone you want to join the game to. Or you can go ahead and send the link directly to your friends. Tap on Invite button, which is beside their name. And if they're online, they'll be able to join you instantly. That friend can now play with you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.